Good afternoon, how's it all going? Today we come down to the River Thames at a place called Hurst Park. I haven't been here for many years, but it's nice and sunny, lots of cloud, blue sky, and we're going to take some interesting look at arranging your photography and compositions. It's going to be quite busy, lots of boats, lots of people, but this is just to help you create a really pleasing image instead of a normal image, something a little bit better. So let's go down by the river. Now, as we know, photography is all about light. The sun, when the sun comes out, it's going to shine and hit this red boat and this house. So if you've got a cloudy day like today, just hang around and wait until the sun comes out and lightens up the subject. You could use the boat and the house, that adds some interest, but it's all about the light. And here the sun's coming out. What you don't want, remember, sloping horizons, sloping rivers, you don't want those. Keep them nice and straight. This makes for a very pleasing shot. Take your time, don't rush. Put some space between them and take the shot. So here's a nice little tip. We've got Hampton Court Bridge just in the front of us, and then these flowers in the foreground. And what you can do, you can use the flowers in the foreground to add interest to your shot. So the way to do it, you don't want to do it with the flowers right in the front, because in the front they add as an obstruction rather than part of the photograph. But by moving slightly to the left, you can create a little bit of harmony within your photo and more balance as well. And now you have some nice flowers on the right and the bridge on the left. And just by moving the camera around, you can gain that all-important composition that you want. And this is actually quite pleasing. It's quite a windy day, so you might need to use a fairly fast shutter speed. The lens I'm using for actually, although it's video work, but I would use it to take the photos, a 12 to 40mm lens, 2.8. But do you see what I mean? If you've got the flowers too much in front, and quite a lot of people tend to do this, you've actually blocked the bridge out. It doesn't, it's an obstruction rather than part of the element of the photo. So just by moving slightly to the left, you create that balance. Let's get closer to the bridge. It's turned out lovely this afternoon. So this is Hampton Court Bridge on the River Thames. Got the Egyptian geese there in front of us. Some of these boats that you see in front here, they can also make a nice composition too. We get a few boats coming through here. So by using the boats, once again, you can create a nice balance to your image. If you have a strong foreground, it's always worth using it. These three boats here, part of the image, across to the other side, and the boat over the other side leads to a nice subject. But rather than just take the photo, if you want to develop your photography, this is one way of doing it, is by using strong foregrounds and creating some balance. Oops. Well, that's it for today. Nice river walk along to Hampton Court and back, and some photographic composition ideas for you. I hope you enjoyed it. It's nice that the sun came out, lots of nice clouds and clear blue sky. So this was a walk from Molesey along to Hampton Court, and just ways in which to sort your ideas out and give you some inspiration as to balance the image that you take with your camera or your phone. Ways to basically avoid subjects that can be more obtrusive rather than balance the harmony of the image. So thanks very much for watching, and I'm going to catch you again very soon. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more photographic ideas, and lots coming. At least it didn't rain this time anyway. Bye bye.